Hi everyone, I am making a marinara sauce, and what I started off was with sauteed onions. I sauteed it in extra virgin olive oil and grapeseed oil, and then I added some grated carrots, chopped them up after I grated them, and then I added some bell peppers. I added red and green bell peppers. And what else did I do? Here, let me lower this because I want it to simmer. I brought it to a boil. And then I added, as you can see, there's a lot of veggies in there. And after I sauteed that, make sure I don't cover the, okay. And then after I sauteed that, I added some tomatoes, and those are Roma tomatoes or vine ripe. I like vine ripe, but the Roma tomatoes is what I can get at a good. But if you can get vine ripe tomatoes, that's even better. And then I added some zucchini, and then some bay leaves. You can see the tiny bits and pieces of bay leaf there. Okay, and then I added some. I had some in the garden in my little herb box. I had some Italian oregano, and I added that in there, and added some salt, pepper, some sea salt, pepper, and I added some 21 seasonings. You can add garlic if you want. They're roasted garlic. I added 21 seasonings, and then I added and then it was very sweet. So in order to break down the sweetness of this marinara sauce, is you have to add something on the bitter end. I mean, on the acid. You have to add acid instead of adding vinegar. I added some of this lemon juice, the squeezed lemon juice, and that brought it into a nice balance. So I'm going to let this simmer for about a good 45 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to cover it, simmer it, so all those flavors can incorporate, and then I'm going to use my immersion blender and then strain it and then jar it and process it, and that's going to be a nice marinara sauce. Okay, talk to you later.